everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Steadfast2277. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a complete free modification that you can do yourself at home DIY. So you got these B pillars right here. Most vehicles, I mean almost all vehicles have these anyways on their vehicles. And underneath these is actually the color match paint to the rest of your vehicle. So most of the vehicles, mine's 2010, but this is for 4th gens, and if your other years have it as well, but mainly for 4th gens, underneath these B pillars is the factory paint that you have on your vehicle, and it's fairly simple. These are just glued on, and all you have to do is just take heat to it and peel it right off. So what you're gonna need for this modification is just a heat gun. I got this at Harbor Freight for 10 bucks. That is it. So it's pretty cheap to do, and this is you know, fairly easy to do. You can do it within, I want to say, maybe half hour. I wouldn't say much longer. So you want to do is you're gonna want to unlock the truck. You're gonna want to open the vehicle because it does come right around the sides. So a big problem with these 4th gens is that these glue here, it starts to come up, as you can tell right here at the bottom. And most importantly, it starts to fade, and that's what starts happening before it starts peeling, and that just looks awful. And it's not even a dark black anymore. It's more like a sun faded black, and that just looks horrible. So for this process, you're gonna add heat to the whole pillar. You're gonna want to start in the corner and start picking at it and peeling your way down. You're gonna open the vehicle, and you're gonna come and you're gonna first take off this screw right here, because that is what's holding in this trim piece right here. You're gonna want to remove that first, and once that's removed, you can lift it, because it's gonna help lift up some of this from behind this trim piece here. And what you're gonna do is just gonna start from one corner all the way up, and it's fairly simple to do. So let's get started. Phillips screw right here. Don't lose the screw. This is just to lift up the trim piece on the outside, so that when you do pull up the vinyl wrap, the black vinyl wrap, it makes it a whole ton easier to be able to get behind it and start peeling that up. So you want to put that someplace safe, and you know you're not going to misplace it. So the first step you're going to want to do is get your heat gun. When you get your heat gun, you're going to turn it on and just start chipping away at it. One thing that I want to make note is that don't get your hands too close to the heat and the path of the heat. It will burn your hands. It is not a pleasant thing. So just be cautious of that as well. So also what you're going to do is once you take out that screw, you're going to make sure you want to lower that window down. It's going to help a little bit better along the sides. Okay, now once you've lowered the window down, you're taking that screw right there. You now can start peeling away with the use of the heat, releasing the glue. Okay guys, so the first B pillar is done. If you look closely, you can see that some glue residue is left behind. That's okay. You're not going to get it all. And then for the back doors, it's the same step. You're going to want to open it up. You're going to lower the window down just so that it's a little easier. It's not connected to the window by any means, but there's a little rubber seal right there, and that's what's going to become a little bit of a bother. So you want to put the window down so you can easily maneuver a little bit better. So for the back doors, it's going to be the same thing. There's going to be a little screw right in here, and that's what you're going to want to unscrew. You're going to lower the window down, and that's what's going to help lift up this rubber trim piece right there for you. Okay, so after the first one, I admit this one was a little bit difficult just because I left glue behind. When you get onto the second one, you're going to learn some techniques and styles. It's just going to make it a whole lot easier. So on this one here, I left practically no glue. I found out that right here, there's a whole crap ton of dirt. This is the perfect time to, just even if it's just that little bit area, just to wipe it out. Because you don't want that stuff there. That's how rust starts to occur, because the moisture and dirt and stuff just gets left there. And that's a no bueno at all. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hit on the other side. It's the same style like we did. Screw right here, screw right here, lift it up. When you're done, screw it right back down. Hey guys, so I brought it outside. I know it's not the brightest, most nicest weather ever. It's quite shitty for New England. It just does not stop snowing or raining. So, this is what it looks like. I mean, this glue still on this. I didn't do it like I did the other side. I was just gonna show you how to do this. So, like, you know how I said that some people do WD-40, some people use hot water, stuff like that, or some people even do it better the first time and they don't have to do this, unlike me. So what you're gonna want to do is clay bar it. I mean, the clay bar, like, you get all debris off your car with clay bar in it. So like, just quick clay bar it. Clay bar, not clay. So since it's too cold for me to use the hose or anything like that, because you'll freeze the pipes. Once it drops, you know, during the nighttime, freeze the pipes. So I got some warm water so I don't freeze my hands off, and you just clay bar it. You're just gonna want to keep it nice and wet. If you hear any like scratching, you're just gonna want to take it and just flip it over and just smush it right back down. And you're all good. You're just gonna keep in one motion and just keep going until in that spot until there's no friction. When you go to another spot, you'll hear it because the glue. And you just keep going. You keep it wet, and just keep going until there's no friction. You want to make sure not to forget the sides. There is glue still on those because remember the thing wrapped around it. So you want to make sure you get those too. After you finish taking the glue off, you wipe it down. Since this was covered, there probably is little to none wax on there for protection from the sun. So just to make this pop a little bit, I'm gonna use some polish, just hand polish, because I'm not gonna whip out the buffer just for the small little area, because the whole rest of the truck is filthy and this is the only clean part. I'm just gonna make it shine. No, it's the wrong thing to do, whatever. I just want to make this pop a little bit, then I'm gonna protect it with some wax. Alright, now that you finished that, you're completely done and you're all set. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? I just like how it separates it and you can see the color. I love this color anyways, so maybe that's why I love it so much. But with the window tint and that, it just looks so much better. See, like on this car over here, like what I was talking about, how it has the black here. And again, on my Camry, it has the black there as well. So here's a look on this side as well. It just looks so much better. I don't know, because like you can see the reflection in the glass, and now you can see it in the paint. See the tree? And in this, with that flat black, like reflection, nothing. You know what I mean? It just looks so much better. Let me know what you guys think. So now I'm gonna be honest with you, it did not take me 30 minutes. It's depending on how you want it and how you want it to look. It's gonna take time, just primarily because the glue is a bugger. The glue is a pain in the ass, because once you peel it off, there's still gonna be residue left, and that's just a pain in the butt. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think. If there's any more ideas or anything like that for me to do this truck, please share. I'll be more than welcome to take an account of it. So I'm Steadfast2277. Comment below, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, ring that bell for those notifications. Take care, have a great day.